Well, as you can see, I haven't done too much on the old Wavejammer. She's kind of covered in tools and stuff. But what I have done is picked up a parts machine. So now that's a pump from an 88 Waverunner 500. Really puzzled with the design of these pumps. Really haven't quite figured it out yet. That pump there is going to be trash. I got real ripped off on that unit. Show you where that was. That is. We're gonna tear apart that pump though. We're gonna figure out exactly how it works. This is the parts machine. Just literally tore it all to shreds. Yeah, it's absolute wreck. But the positive thing here is I'm learning exactly how all this goes together. Realizing that this is pretty premature jet ski design. I really just don't. I really like the way Bombardier does their pump. Just don't understand what the whole deal is with, especially this region here. I mean, to me it seems, I don't understand what this part of the hull is for. To me it seems it should just end here, and then the shaft should go in, and then the rest of it should be, intake and the pump. So that part still doesn't really make a whole lot of sense to me. I'm still trying to figure out like the routing of the exhaust lines, coolant, and water return and all that. I haven't quite figured all that stuff out. I'm very knowledgeable when it comes to Bombardier stuff, but this Yamaha stuff I'm still trying to figure out. Speaking of which, that'll probably go out this evening for a nice little rip. The other thing I have is I have an engine, the bottom half of an engine here. So some electrical parts from that Waverunner 500 intake grate, which is busted. I paid $200 for that thing. I got ripped off pretty badly, but you win some, you lose some, and I'm hoping that it's going to be educational. So I'm just doing this quick update to reassure you guys that I am working on this, and things are moving along more or less. I've been kind of preoccupied with my motorhome lately, but anyways, Jammer. We're in the learning process, the learning curve. I always find learning different machines. So I'm kind of a Bombardier guy. I know a lot about Bombardier pumps and engines and all that kind of stuff, but not so much Waverunner. Still trying to figure these guys out. Now I got a heap of trash in my yard here. Figure out what to do with that. So anyways, I'm just doing a quick little update here on the Jammer. She runs great. It's just this pump needs to be changed, so stay tuned to the channel. We're going to completely disassemble this pump. We're going to figure out exactly all how it works, and hopefully rebuild the pump in this guy, and get her performing like she should. I would love to have this going before the end of the summer. It's August 24th right now. It's getting pretty dark, pretty cold out, and haven't had my boat out. I've only had it out once this summer. Anyways, it's been a good summer though. Scored this guy here, and this will be going to my camp in tomorrow. So once we get to the camp, I'm going to keep the jet skis there. I'm going to have lots of jet ski fun. But anyways, stay tuned to the channel. We're going to have some updates on the Wavejammer pump rebuild in the next couple weeks, and hopefully get this girl on the water. And thanks for your patience, and stay tuned to the channel. Got all kinds of cool stuff happening, and well, yeah, we're going to get this guy here going too. That's going to be a beater Sea-Doo build. I've got an engine for it here with the rebuild carb. Here's the pump. And yeah, stay tuned. There's gonna be some fun stuff coming up. So thanks for stopping by. Don't forget to subscribe if you like my content. Helps me out. Anyways, hope you all have a great evening, and we'll see you soon.